Hi Diamonds, and welcome to another epic video of the Triple L's. I'm Lucas.
I'm Linnea. I'm Leo.
So guys, before we go ahead with this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave us some comments, and ka-ching on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we post.
Make sure, guys, is when we are speaking about diamonds, when you speak about a diamond, diamonds are shining, diamonds are beautiful, diamonds are needed in the whole world. So same apply to you. You are needed. Sometimes you find yourself you are not needed because maybe you have an addiction, or maybe people call you that you are not needed because what can you bring? You don't have money, you don't have this. And so guys, so make sure you shine. And when we talk about shining, we are not just speaking about this shining when you go to the salon, you go to the barber, you go to this shop, expensive shop, and then you buy those expensive clothes. No, we are speaking about shining your inside. Work out things on your inside, things that can bring you down, things that you understand about yourself, that me, I am just gonna stay like this. But for I believe that there is nothing that cannot change in a human. So you can change, you can achieve that addiction, you can achieve a lot of things, you can achieve that the way people think about you, you can change things. So just work on yourself and shine. So that's why we call you a diamond, if you really allow that to happen in your life.
Guys, we are going to share a very interesting topic with you guys, how to know the money in Namibia and what it can afford and its values.
And maybe you say that I'm traveling to Namibia, but it's your first time and you don't know what is going on about the money, and this is why we want to let you know.
So Namibia, my motherland, the land of the brave, is a country situated in Africa in the southwest. So before it was called Namibia, people used to call it Southwest Africa because, we were colonized. So you say Namibia, you're gonna have punishment and stuff like that. So Namibia is a beautiful country. It has so many tourist attractions such as deserts, the Etosha National Parks, and that is why it is a very, very beautiful country. And this is why we want to share with you why Namibia is such a wonderful land. Now today we're talking about the money, like you heard and what Lucas said. He said that we're talking about Namibia's money, its value, and what it can buy. Just in case one of you somewhere decided that you wanted to come here for holiday and stuff like that. So up here, this is the map of Namibia, right? This is the map of Namibia.
The most beautiful map in the whole world.
That's the most beautiful map in the whole. Okay.
Namibia, it's a peaceful country, and when you come here, make sure you prepare well your things. You have a valid passport, and when you're doing business, make sure you're doing that legal. Yes, and don't come here to sell drugs to our young people, please.
You are destroying our young people.
Yes, you are destroying our young people. You are really families. A lot of people in a family has destroyed by drugs, and marriage. People have divorcing because of drugs, so which really brings rupture,
Destruction.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the $1, and this is how the $1 look like.
So what is the value of a $1? What can you buy in $1?
Maybe a matchbox, a drink or pop,
Sweets.
2 sweets.
Yeah.
Can buy
And one chips.
one, yes, and
Fruits.
a fruit. Don't expect
Unless it's
really.
expired.
It's on sale, and that fruit don't expect it to be really that fresh. Yeah.
It's probably expired. That's why it's $1.
So a $1 can just buy a tiny thing.
Yeah, tiny,
Yes.
tiny version. What is the next one? Is it $20?
Yeah, $10.
$10, right?
This is how a $10 look like, guys. And
This is a
in
$10?
$10, you can just buy
Bread,
Yes, you can
fruit.
afford
You can
bread.
buy bread.
You can afford at least a banana, an apple, and an orange.
Something maybe to go and cook a spinach to make soup.
And
An
also,
onion and
also we
tomatoes.
can buy airtime out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
You can buy
airtime
airtime
out
and
of
stuff
it.
like that. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
buy those things.
Just those,
Things.
like
How many
not
items
really-
can you exactly buy? 4, right?
No, not a lot of items. If you buy just one, if you want to buy, if you buy
Yeah.
bread, but maybe you can buy 4 fruits
Yeah, 4 fruit.
or 5 fruits. if you
Somewhere
want.
there, if they are cheap.
Yeah.
And bread just one.
Yeah, just one.
Because bread is like $9.
Oh, yeah.
In the shops.
In the shops.
Mm.
And on the street it's $8 sometimes.
Yeah, and yeah. Sometimes when it's just on sale like that.
You can find
Yes.
it for $8.
And a $20 guys, it look like this.
Yeah, this is how a $20 looks like.
Yes.
What is the value of the $20, Lucas? What do you think you can buy with a $20?
In $20, I think that we can buy.
You can also buy 2 loaves of bread. Yeah, like she said, you can buy 2 loaves of bread. You can also buy
Little meat,
yeah, some
chakalaka, this
Buddha balls,
yeah,
And French fries.
French fries, portion chips. You can buy tiny
A cool
little
drink.
things, cool drink,
or
energy
even
drink.
to buy 2 cool drinks
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some tiny things. You can also buy a few accessories somewhere there.
Yeah.
What's the next one?
The $50.
The $50.
Okay, now the $50. You can buy a pack of rice.
Yes.
You can probably buy 2
Now
packs
here
of
we are
rice.
talking about the food to go and buy, to go and cook at home. Yeah.
So you can buy 2 packs of rice, right?
Yeah, you can just buy, if you are buying 2
Oh, and
packs
this is
of
how it
rice,
looks like,
only
50
2 packs of rice. But if you are buying 1 pack of rice and a little meat to go and make soup with with rice. So this is how you do if you don't have food. Or you can as well buy a little, if you don't have shoes, you can
buy
maybe
palms.
afford to buy palms. But not real. Yes, you can afford to buy
can
palms.
afford.
And also sandals.
Yeah.
Sandals.
Yeah.
And you can buy, what else can you buy? You can buy some, okay, wait, let me tell you what I could buy. I
If
could buy
it's
a
a
yogurt.
takeaway, if you're buying a takeaway, you buy barang,
Warm
this,
chips?
yeah, warm chips and ration and cool drink
And
Yeah.
and a
chicken.
little change.
You
Yeah.
can go, if you guys know Kentucky Fried Chicken, you can also go there and get yourself a nice pack of that.
Yeah.
And you can also get, many other things that you can get for
Yes.
$50.
Yeah.
Okay.
$100.
Okay, now the $100.
And
we're
this is
talking
how the
real
$100
stuff.
look like.
Yeah, this is how it looks like. Now we're talking about real stuff.
Yes.
Now in the $100 you can buy a pack of macaroni,
Yes.
spaghetti,
If you want something to wear, you can afford a
a
t-shirt
t-shirt, and some pumps.
and sometimes if you find that shop is on sale sometimes, but not really, but it's counted on, something, you can also buy as well, something to wear.
Yeah, you can get yourself a hamburger or you can get yourself pizza. Yeah, if you buy the hamburger, you're gonna get change back.
And plus a cool drink.
You can buy cool drink. You can buy soap, lotion.
Forget the $30 that has just come up.
And this is how
No?
it looks like.
Yes,
guys.
it has just come up. I think it was, if it was not 2019, it was 2020. Somewhere there,
Yeah.
somewhere there. And this $30, you can just buy a takeaway. Or maybe if you don't have washing powder, you can able to buy washing powder to go and wash your clothes.
And also you can buy a pack of sweets.
Yeah, and also you can buy vegetables on it, and which is like our country as well is a dry country, and
Yeah.
maybe you expect these are some of the things to be so food to be cheap, but here foods are not cheap; they are expensive.
So with the $200, you can buy 5 items as long as they're under $30 or $40, right? Isn't that?
Yeah.
Yeah. As long as they're under $30 or $40. These 5 items that you can buy are cereals, soaps, shampoos, braids, accessories, sugar, some homely things that you would want, to just keep in your house. These are things that a $200 can afford.
But you cannot go beyond it, like do a lot of things, because otherwise you will find yourself the
Without it.
number is passed by
Yeah.
for the money.
Yeah. So that is all you can afford. You can afford at least 5 or 6 maybe if you know how to budget really well.
Yeah. And as well, when we speak about thousand, like here, thousand Namibian dollar, and that can enable you to buy a furniture, because maybe just a little 700, 800, you can buy a furniture like maybe cupboard, tables. Yeah.
But from 1,000 up, you can buy a bed.
Yes.
These are things like tables, just furniture. You can buy furniture from 1,000 up. Yeah, 1,000 upwards.
Yeah.
So we don't know if you can buy a bed for $800. I've never heard of that ever in my entire life ever. But if you can, then somebody tell me where that is.
Yeah, maybe a bed that is on sale.
Yeah,
and
but
someone that is
if
tired
it's
of
on
this
sale,
bed.
it's 1,000.
Yeah, but if it's a new bed, it can a new bed, a nice bed, a furniture bed, and maybe you can find it from 5,000, 4,000 Namibian dollars.
In a fridge, you can get it for 7,000, 6,000.
Yeah.
8,000, unless you just
Or 4,000 a
Yeah,
fridge
4,000.
you can get.
unless like you want those highly expensive fridges, then you can get for 12,000 and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And the TVs
Yeah.
the smart TVs are usually
They are usually like
10,000?
3. You can find them 3,000 to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. It goes like that, depend on the size of the television. Yeah.
So this is all, this is just where we're gonna end. We just wanna give you, an insight on how the money is going. And when you come here, you wanna travel here, you know that, okay, so this is able to buy this $200 is able to buy this. If you went in the shop, nobody's going to buy.
Yeah, this can help you a lot.
It's gonna help you out.
Especially if you're traveling. And let me not forget about you guys. When maybe you are traveling from another country and then you pass from South Africa. When you speak about South Africa,
We have the same quantity of money.
we are South Africa and
Namibia have the same quantity.
Yeah, we
are neighboring countries.
Yeah, and we are like speaking about brother and sister and siblings, and most of what is going on in Africa about the money. Here we use rand as well.
Yes.
So if you have rand, you must
can-
not worry.
You can use it here in Namibia too.
Yeah, you don't need to exchange this money of South African money. You just use it well.
Yes.
Yeah, it only South Africa they don't use our dollars, but
Yes,
us
but
we
we
use.
use their rent.
Yeah, we use their rent.
Everything is still fine. We have the same quantity as South Africa. We're basically siblings in a way. You can say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you look closely on your African map and you look at Namibia and South Africa, we're really close by. So if someone said Namibia could be South Africa together, it makes sense. 'Cause
And
we're
it
really
was going
close.
to be.
It was going to be.
During those times,
Yeah, the
colonial
colonial time and stuff.
Yeah, it was going to be, and that's why up to now we use rands.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're fine with friends. So no biggie, no worry. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys know now what to do when you get Namibian dollars, and I hope you guys are happy with how we explain the quantity of our money and what you can buy. So what do we say?
And that's what brings us to the end of this
Video.
And
So-
thank you for watching a lot. And just write a comment below if
If you want to comment,
Have a
don't forget to
question.
subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you want, you can share with us.
Yes.
So guys,
This is it from the Triple L.
peace. Catch you later, guys.
And guys, please don't forget, these are our designs.
Yeah, these two are our own designs. Right.